guys, I'm on the 300XC, the 2020 300XC. I only got to ride the XCW the last time. Right off the bat, I can tell you, way racier. This is my first time on this loop, so I'm just trying to watch these arrows. Yeah, way racier than the XCW. Ground's a little slippery. I feel like I would really like a recluse on this. Yeah, she's powerful. I dig it though. Go down a little bit and give him some space. Man, every time I ride one of these, it amazes me how low they idle. It's almost like they sound like they're not even on. I don't care what you guys say though, I'm definitely a recluse guy. Guys, if you guys ever ride a demo, proper thing is to pull over, let the guy through. So a short 4-minute ride on the 300XC. Feels just like the 300XCW, except a monster. Almost feel like if I wasn't racing, the XCW would be the way to go. Or even if I was, I don't know, man, that's tough. The 300XC is almost a little bit too aggressive for me, and I'm a heavier guy and a decent rider. So I don't know, I would like a bike between the XC and the XCW as far as power and hit. I know that's kind of picky, but XCW is super mild, not gonna wear you out. That XC, you better be on top of your game, because you have to grip it a little tighter, you have to be a little more aware, it's gonna hit. And obviously you can work on that with gearing, mapping, whatever you want to do. But right out of the box, it's twitchy. It's fast and twitchy, so just keep that in mind. If you're not racing and you don't need every little bit of that power, you're just out riding, I would probably go with the XCW. But yeah, about to go hit another one.